Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download or save images from Behance in high quality. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top of the Behance page where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and click on Images. This will take you to a gallery view where you can browse through all the visual content available on the platform. Now take your time browsing through the images until you find the one you want to download. Once you've located the perfect image, click on it to open it in full view. This ensures you're accessing the highest quality version available on the page. With the image now displayed in full view, right-click directly on the image itself. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Save Image As. This action will open your computer's file saving dialog, allowing you to choose where you want to store the image on your device. In the file saving dialog that appears, you'll see a field where you can input a file name. Type in a descriptive name that will help you easily identify this image later. Clear, specific file names make it much easier to organize and locate your downloaded images in the future. Next, look for the drop-down menu labeled Save as Type. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available file format options. From the list that appears, select JPEG image. Choosing this format ensures you're saving the image in a widely compatible format that maintains good quality while keeping file sizes manageable. Finally, click the Save button to complete the download process. Your computer will process the request and save the image to your chosen location with the name and format you specified. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded a high-quality image from Behance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.